with Rose Emily. I am back after a couple months gone, but I am back with an easy family recipe. I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious, super moist banana strawberry bread or strawberry banana bread. So good. You can eat this as a dessert, as a breakfast, a grab and go. Guys, you have to make it. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this delicious dessert, and now let's get started with the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to share this recipe if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below as well. Let's start with the recipe. Okay guys, so we're gonna start in a mixing bowl. We're gonna add 3 ripe bananas, and then we are going to smash it. You can smash it with a fork, or I'm using this mashed potato like utensil. Mash it very good, and now we're gonna add 1 cup of crushed fresh strawberries. I just put the fresh strawberries in a fruit processor. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a cup of melted butter. Make sure the butter is not hot. A pinch of salt. We're gonna mix very well. And now we're ready to add 3 whole eggs. Let's mix very well. And now we're going to add half a cup of brown sugar. Mix. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix again. This recipe is so easy because it's just in one bowl. You mix all the ingredients, and now we're adding 1.5 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. And now we're going to mix again, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. Alright, now we're ready to add the mixture into our baking bread or baking pan. What I did is to make sure I greased it with butter first or with baking powder like spray. That way the bread doesn't stick. Now we're going to bake it for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And our delicious strawberry bread is done. Strawberry banana bread, super moist, super easy, and super delicious. And I hope all of you guys can make it.